Say bon voyage to the days of overstuffed, chaotic suitcases, and travel with us as we dive into some of our favorite packing cubes on the market. EVERGOODS transit packing cubes are designed for the discerning traveler. The automatic compression feature maximizes space efficiency, while the versatile design allows for various packing configurations. The durable nylon construction and thoughtful details, like the exterior accessory pocket, make these cubes a top choice for organized and efficient packing. With EVERGOODS Transit packing cubes, you'll be ready for any adventure. Patagonia's black hole cubes are the epitome of durability and sustainability. Made from recycled materials, these rugged cubes offer a spacious interior and a clamshell design for easy access. The zipper dividers help keep your belongings organized, and the overall design is both functional and stylish, while maintaining the durability synonymous with the name. The Trakke Foulden packing cubes are designed to keep your belongings organized and protected during your travels. Crafted from a weatherproof, dry-finished waxed canvas, these cubes are both elegant and durable, while the compact and organized layout maximizes space efficiency. Whether you're a frequent traveler or a weekend adventurer, Trakke Foulden packing cubes are the perfect solution to keep your belongings safe, secure, and stylish. Peak Design's compression cubes offer a unique and functional approach to packing. Their innovative tearaway zipper allows for lightning-fast access to your belongings, while the internal divider provides flexible organization for both clean and dirty clothes. The compression feature maximizes space efficiency, and the durable, stylish design makes them a standout choice for any traveler. Eagle Creek's Isolate sets prioritize both organization and sustainability. Crafted from 100% ocean recycled fabric, these cubes are not only eco-friendly, but also water-resistant to protect your belongings. The compression feature helps reduce bulk, while the semi-structured design ensures efficient packing. Whether you're headed to a tropical paradise or a bustling city, Eagle Creek Isolate sets are the perfect travel companion. The Thule Clean Dirty Packing Cube is the ultimate travel organizer. Its innovative design features a bluesign-approved TPU divider that effectively separates clean and dirty clothes, preventing cross-contamination and odor transfer. The floating divider allows you to customize the compartment sizes to suit your packing needs. Made from durable, water-repellent 100D ripstop nylon, this cube is built to last. The convenient webbing handle makes it easy to grab and hang, streamlining your travel experience. The Tortuga Compression packing cube is designed to maximize your packing potential. With a 33% compression capability, you can pack more clothes into less space. Its lightweight yet durable construction ensures that it can withstand the rigors of travel, while the best-in-class YKK zippers with double pulls offer smooth and reliable operation. Made from 70D ripstop nylon, this cube is a reliable and efficient travel companion.